In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to sign up for HBO account online. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in HBO sign up and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one, hbomax.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Scrolling down, you're going to find different plan. First, you'll need to select the plan that you're going to use. After you select it, you'll be directed to this page. Now here you will be prompted to enter your email address, type in that and click on continue. Now you will be directed to sign up page, click on sign up now. Again choose the plan and click on continue. Now you will be directed to this page. Here you will need to fill in these details. Type in the email address, confirm it, then generate the password. Type in your first name likewise last name. After you fill all these details, click on create account, and just with that, your account will be created. So this way you can easily sign up for HBO account online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.